Here's a view of the engine shed. You can see the engines and you can see the people. What we think is pretty good. Just looks so real. Looking over the roof of the signal box, you can see the people working again, the lorry in the background. Four-wheel drive vehicles in the car park. Yeah, we're pretty pleased. Here's a view from the back of the station Fiddle yard. You can see people going to work, people chatting, people just leaving their cars. Here's a close-in view of the station Fiddle yard. You can see people working, the stop signs, man getting out of his car. Here you can see somebody coming to work in their Mini, workmen working on the point mechanism, some chaps shoveling coal, and a couple of guys pushing a cable holder. Here you can see to the entrance to the engine sheds. You can see the stop signs, the two gentlemen ushering back the engine. If I zoom in, there they are, seeing back the engines. It's just about finished. Here's another view looking over the signal box. You can see a Pullman coming through. And you can see the guys working, you can see the woman walking to her office. You can see the guy in the background just left his Land Rover and he's got into work. It was quite a cool shot. You can see the whole. We think it's come pretty well. The grass has got daisies in it and flowers where they grow. You can see here once the Pullman's gone. You can see the wildflowers growing near the point motors. There's still a little bit to do where we're doing a little bit of greenery where water would grow and you get the odd weeds, etc. But other than that, we're quite pleased.